Sri Lata. I am studying first class. My school name is MPPS KT Colony, Kollur Mandal, Bapatla District, Andhra Pradesh, India. The Constitution of India. Preamble. We the people of India. Having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunities, and to promote among them all fraternity, ensuring the dignity of the nation, individual, and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.